Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Robin and this is Robin's Closet. And if you're a first-time viewer, please hit the subscribe button so that you can see more of my videos, and don't forget to like it. If you're returning viewers, welcome back. Today I am doing a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. So this is a quarterly subscription box with beauty products, and you can sign up to get it quarterly, pay quarterly, or what I did was the annual. You do get a discount if you do the annual unboxing or getting the boxes, and also you get your boxes before anybody else. You get to pick your choices of certain products, so there are advantages of being an annual subscriber. So let's get into it. Comes in a really nice box. This is the summer edition. So there are the 4 seasons. It comes with a really nice little magazine. It's got the products that are in here. It's got some little tips. So it's a great box. There is also a share the box. So you will get $10 off. So instead of the box being $49.99 a quarter, it would be $39.99 to try it for the first time. So I will link the referral code below so that you can get $10 off your first box. It's got a really nice tissue paper, as you can probably hear. And the first thing in the box is by Earth Jewelry, and it is a ring. It's got pearls on it. I can't say I'm a big pearl person, but I will try it on and see how it fits. But it is a really cute ring, so it might look better on than in the package for me. The next thing is by Pier 1 Imports. God, I haven't heard that name for a long time. Trying to get it out of the package, so please forgive me. It looks like a little dish that you can put your jewelry on. If you can see that. It's really actually very cute, just to put on your dresser, and when you take your rings off, just kind of throw them in the dish. So that is actually really nice. The next thing is by Tarte, and we all know how expensive Tarte can be. Again, they make these packages so they're kind of difficult to get in. This is what the outside looks like. It's a super nice case, and it's Pro Glow, so I'm assuming it's probably blushes or highlighters. Awesome colors, and it comes with mirrors on each side. I don't know, this might be eye makeup. Let's see. Highlight and contour palette. Yeah, so it is a highlighter, but you can probably put it on your eyes as well. So, and I can't even tell you how great this case is. The next thing we have in the box is by Visanti Brighten Up, and it's an exfoliating cleanser. Comes in a really nice tube. This is 2.12 ounces. Again, great for traveling or just to try the product out. So that is super nice. That just fell on the floor. The next thing is sunscreen by Sport, and it's SPF 50, and this is a great size tube. Again, just throw it in your beach bag. And it looks like this. You can never have too much sunscreen, especially here in Arizona. The next thing, very colorful, is 12 pounds. I'm not quite sure what it is. We'll find out together, I guess. Looks like it could be a beach towel. It is Make Your Own Sunshine, and it's a beach towel. So it'll go great with the sunscreen, and I think it might have the measurements on it. It is 39 by 70, so it's a nice size beach towel. That's going to be perfect. Okay. This straw saves marine life. Visit giveasap.us. It must be an environmental straw. Okay, before I go to the next item in the box, when I was filming before, my video didn't complete, so I have to refilm the last couple of items. So that's why, if it looks like I'm wearing a different top, I am. You're not going crazy. So the next item in the box is Orlando Pita Play. It's a hair protection spray. These are great now that the summer's coming up. You go in the pool, you can spray your hair. So it's a good conditioner. Throw that again. And the last thing, and I kind of opened it because it was hard to get open, is the Foreo, and it is, you can see it, it is a facial brush. So you press it on and you can use it with lotion. So that's a really awesome idea. And it comes with this little extra plate. Haven't figured out what to do with it, but I'm sure I will. So that is it for this Fab Fit Fun box. As I said, I highly recommend it. I get it on the annual thing. I don't have to worry about it. I get the discount. I get the first items to pick from. So awesome. So let's go over the prices. Okay, you can find the prices on the second page of that nice newsletter that they send you. Again, it has recipes, workout ideas, so it's a really great little magazine. Again, I chose the beach towel, and that retails for $55. So that's a really nice item. Then I also chose the, well, I didn't choose it, but they put it in my box, the Highlight and Contour Palette, which is $45. So right there's $100 worth of product. I also got the hair spray, the treatment spray. That retails for $34. Then I got the face rejuvenator, which I'm going to try to use with that brush, and that's $29. I got the ring, that nice little pearl ring, for $55. And the Luna Fofo is $89. And the Cool Face Sport, the White Tea Moisturizer, the sunscreen, that goes for $32. And that cute little dish from Pier 1 goes for $14.99. So you can see they're nice high-end products. So I put my link below so that you can get $10 off your first box, which would make it $39.99. So you guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.